Are we recording now?
We absolutely are.
Can you see the wine bottles over here, Tim?
I think I would have to zoom in on it.
Okay, but can you see them? Can you see the wine, the grapes on the glass here?
I can't see the grapes on the glass.
All right, but it's there, and it kind of just goes all together right here with this. So
yeah,
I mean, you know, because more than the wine that we've had, I really like the water. The wine has helped me, you know, with some stuff, but hey, I really do like the Kangen water. For me, the water has just been one of those things that I've got to always mix something with it. I can't have it just plain. It just doesn't do something to me. I've got variety. I just love variety. That's why with the wines, you know, it's a different wine every month and that sort of thing. But what I've noticed with the Kangen water is not only do I feel better, but I actually do want to drink more water. Not flavored, not mixed with something else, just the water itself. It does have a different flavor. It has a different texture. It's actually something that when I'm listening to my body tells me, go get more of that water. And so I do. Now, one of the ways that really has helped is that I get sinus infections about once a year, usually late January, early February. There's something that goes on, and I usually end up getting a sinus infection. This year, since we had the Kangen water filter, I just kept a Zip Fizz water bottle filled right by the bed. And anytime I woke up at night, I just went ahead and drank. And I drank until I was satisfied and then went back to sleep. And I did that several times every night. And when I did that, what I started noticing was I wasn't getting that same sinus infection development. It actually never came about. I never had to go get an antibiotic. Typically, I would be in bed for days trying to get over it with everything else going on. I didn't miss any work. As a matter of fact, I worked the same hours that I did in years past, or excuse me, in weeks past prior to that. And like I said, in the past, I would have had to take time off from work. So that right there showed me that this really was working. I started off on 8.5. Isn't that the lowest? Yeah, and then 9, and then 9.5. So I did go up, but I didn't stay on the 8.5 very long, or the 9. I went pretty much right to 9.5, and I could tell the difference. And so I'm glad I did, because that's what got me through all of that sickness. And like I said, since then, I keep that water bottle right beside the bed. I carry it with me wherever I go. And even if people are offering me water to drink, and it's a great thing, I'm glad that there are people who are hospitable like that, but I just choose to drink this other. So back to, here's the Kangen water.